Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your daily energies, Capricorn, we are picking few cards for your relationship and career situation. I'll be picking cards from another deck. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it before we pick the cards for your career and personal life situation, guys. So let's start with the daily reading. It's Three of Swords, the Tower, Queen of Swords. So with these cards in your situation, Capricorn, you are seeing some sudden changes in your career or in your personal life situation, something coming surprisingly towards you. So it may be some positive changes, or for some of you it may be something negative, and you have a clear perception of your situation. You know what you want today. You have that deep knowledge about your situation, and you have that accurate perception in your career or personal life, and you do things only after you have that deep knowledge about anything, guys. But something coming all of a sudden obstructing you today. Maybe for some of you it may be this person breaking away from you, leaving you in sadness all of a sudden, and there is no one to help you, you feel, or rescue you in this state, and you feel a sense of loss and loneliness, guys, Capricorn. So it may be something in your relationship, guys. That is what I see with these cards. Let us see what is the card for your career choice. But Capricorn, we need not worry. These cards are just pointing us towards something that we have to pay attention to. We need not worry if the cards say something negative, guys. We have to just think that it is pointing us towards the direction that we need to pay attention to, guys. So no need to worry. Let us see what is coming up with the other card for your career situation first. Whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your career situation, you can think about it, guys, and I will turn the card now. Tick tock. So this card just means that divine timing is working in your life today, guys. So whatever is supposed to come towards you, it will come at that right time. So we need not worry. So you have to stay positive, make commitment to remain in that good vibrational thoughts and feelings in your career. So this is the time you have to have that positive intentions, think positively and work positively. Your situation may be going otherwise, but you should not leave that trust and faith in yourself, trust and faith in universe, guys. So the prosperous time will be here when it is the right time for that. So it will never pass you by. So you need not worry. Things will soon align, and you have to give up that anxiety you have in your situation, Capricorn. That is what I see with this card, guys. For your relationship, let me pick one card. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your relationship, guys, you can think about it, and I will pick one card now. Let's see what is the card. Happy. So this is a very auspicious card, guys. So this card just means that things are going to align in such a beautiful way. It will give you that peace, joy, contentment today. So in this relationship with this person, you are open to this person, open your heart and soul to them, to have that beautiful understanding with them. And the same way, when that person opens their heart and comes forward with what they are, showing their true self, you will be happy to share your true self with that other person. And this card stands for that joy and contentment today, guys. So when you are happy today, this happiness will attract more happiness towards you, just like ants are attracted by something sweet. So happiness will be flooding you because you are already happy. And maybe for some of you, if your circumstances is not a happy one, you need not worry. Just being happy, just playing playful and having that joy like a child, no matter what your situation is, you will be aligning yourself with more happiness, Capricorn. So that is what this card is about, and that is a reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.